Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nat here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to reset Microsoft Edge to defaults in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter. Select apps, one click, and in the left side, select apps and features and search for Microsoft or type Edge. One click and select modify. If you receive a user account control, click on yes and click on repair and wait a moment. Microsoft Edge has been updated. Click on close or close this window and your Microsoft Edge is restored to defaults. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.